The AI revolution has created unprecedented opportunities to build profitable side hustles by leveraging automation and artificial intelligence tools. One of the most accessible entry points is AI content creation, using tools like ChatGPT for blog writing, Midjourney for custom artwork, or 11 Labs for voice cloning to deliver services at scale. Freelancers are offering AI-assisted ebook writing, generating 10,000-word guides in days, personalized video messages with cloned voices for businesses, and even AI-powered resume optimization services that analyze job descriptions to tailor applications. The key is positioning these as AI-enhanced, rather than fully automated services, ensuring human oversight for quality control. Automation takes this further by creating hands-off income streams. Many entrepreneurs use no-code platforms like Make, formerly Integromat, or Zapier to connect APIs, for example, automatically turning YouTube videos into blog posts with AI transcription, or syncing e-commerce orders across multiple channels. One lucrative niche is building custom ChatGPT bots for businesses. A restaurant might pay $300 for an AI chatbot that handles reservations and facts on their website, while real estate agents use property recommendation bots trained on local listings. These can be created using OpenAI's API and hosted on platforms like Bubble for ongoing subscription revenue. Data automation services are in high demand. Small businesses will pay $200, $500 per month for automated reports that pull data from their Shopify store, Google Ads, and QuickBooks into visualized dashboards using tools like Google Looker Studio. More technical side hustle is train custom machine learning models. A landscaper might pay for an image recognition model that identifies weeds from phone photos, built using Teachable Machine and deployed as a mobile app. The most scalable AI side hustles involve digital product creation. Selling AI-generated printables, like Canva templates for Instagram Reels captions, on Etsy requires minimal upkeep, while prompt engineering, creating and selling optimized text prompts for tools like Stable Diffusion, has become its own micro-industry. Some creators package niche-specific AI tools, like a Notion template with embedded AI workflows for authors to brainstorm plot lines, selling for $50, $100 via Gumroad. Marketing these services requires demonstrating real-world results. Create case studies showing how your AI wedding speech writer saved clients 10 hours, or how your automated LinkedIn comment bot increased engagement by 30%. Freelance platforms are flooded with generic AI offers, so specialize, become the go-to expert for AI-powered Amazon product description optimization, rather than offering broad content creation. Ethical considerations matter. Disclose AI usage to clients, especially for sensitive tasks like medical content. Avoid platforms banning AI work, like Kindle Direct Publishing for low-content books, by focusing on value-added services where human expertise elevates the output. With the right positioning, AI side hustles can generate $3,000, $10,000 per month by solving specific problems faster and cheaper than traditional methods, all while requiring just a laptop and creativity.